Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to log out of your Amazon account, whether on a shared computer, public device, or just for security reasons, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of signing out of your Amazon account in 2025. It's quick, easy, and super important for keeping your information safe. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to amazon.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't, click on the sign in button in the top right corner, then enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the Amazon homepage. Now look at the very top right corner of the page. You should see an option called Account and Lists. Sometimes it will show your name or a small person icon next to it. Next, hover your mouse over Account and Lists. Don't click, just hover. A drop-down menu will appear with a lot of options. Now scroll all the way toward the bottom of this menu. Right there, you'll find the Sign Out button. Go ahead and click it. And that's it. You're officially signed out of your Amazon account. If you're using a shared device like a school computer, a work laptop, or even a family tablet, always make sure to log out after your shopping session. This helps protect your personal details, saved addresses, and even payment information from being accessed by someone else. So now you know how to log out of Amazon safely and securely in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. And if you have any questions or want me to cover another Amazon guide, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.